If you're a beauty professional and not currently offering brow laminations or lash lifts, you're making a huge mistake. Hi, I'm Ashley.
And I'm Nicole. We're from Van Isle Beauty Academy, a six-figure beauty academy and pro supply shop based on Vancouver Island. We also run a thriving six-figure beauty salon in the heart of Nanaimo. So if anyone knows a thing or two about the growth in the beauty industry, it's us.
Lash lifts and brow laminations are rising in popularity, and if you're not capitalizing on this trend, you're really missing out on big bucks. With beauty trends like high maintenance to low maintenance, everyone, yes, even their grandmas, are heading to salons for natural, effortless beauty. Lash lifts and brow laminations are perfect for enhancing natural beauty, and they've become absolute staples in the beauty world.
The demand for these services should be reason enough to add them to your menu, but we want to make sure you stand head over shoulders above the competition. It's not about blending in, it's about standing out. And that's exactly why we teach and practice using InLei.
InLei is a premium lash and brow brand made 100% in Italy. It offers exceptional, long-lasting results that both you and your clients will love. Their products are made from high-quality ingredients that enhance the health of the hair so your clients can enjoy silky, fluffed brows and beautifully lifted lashes without sacrificing their hair's natural strength. What makes InLei different?
Well, their products are made in small batches, dermatology tested, and focused on hair health. The Lash Filler 25.9 system is scientifically proven to thicken lashes by 25% and lengthen them by 9%. No other brand on the planet offers this kind of quality and science-backed innovation. With InLei, you're not just offering treatments, you're giving your clients confidence, convenience with natural beauty they can rely on.
Now, how to maximize your income. Number 1, brow lamination refresh. Brow lamination appointments are typically 8 weeks apart, but you can offer 4-week tint refresh to keep brows looking flawless and to generate income additionally between main treatments.
Yeah. Number 2, lash growth means repeat clients. With InLei's incredible lash filler results, your clients will keep coming back because they'll see noticeable difference in their lash length and their thickness.
Number 3, combo services. Offer a brow and lash combo service to maximize your time and serve more clients in a single day. This not only increases your earning potential, but also gives clients the convenience of addressing both beauty needs at once.
And last but not least, the retail aftercare products. InLei offers premium aftercare products such as our Fashion Lash and Brow Conditioner, Frida Mascara, our Dutrix Lash and Brow Serum, and our InLei Mousse Face Wash Foam Wash. These products are designed to maintain longer lasting results, nourishing your lashes and brows deeply and enhance the overall effect of the treatment. So reselling these high margin products is a fantastic way to increase your earnings per client while ensuring their results last longer.
Due to InLei's unique selling points and premium quality, you'll be able to charge a premium price for your services. At our beauty salon, we charge $100 for both lash lift and brow lamination. Depending on where you're located in Canada, you can charge up to $140, $145 per service. On average, a provider will see about 5 clients a day doing these treatments. So if you do the math, it's a serious boost to your income.
And here's the best part. InLei helps you deliver optimal, consistent results every single time. So no more worrying about unpredictable outcomes like the cheap products that you may find on Amazon.
At Van Isle Beauty, we offer in-person and online comprehensive training courses for both lash lift and brow lamination. Whether you're new to these services or looking to refine your skills, our training will give you the confidence to deliver exceptional results.
We'll see you soon.